Traders. All right. Hello. Hello, everyone. My name is Revan Whitaker with Sage FT. I'm the founder, creator, and trader over at the live trading desk and sageft.com. Let's dive right into this bad boy here. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. The easiest way to see this is if we look at our moving averages, we're in the perfect hierarchy for selling only, okay, on the daily, on the 4-hour, and then throughout the day, on the 15-minute, we went back in. All right, so now, when we're in first position, what we do is we drill down all the way down to the 2-minute chart. So it's easiest to see it on this one because there's not a bunch of noise on it, right? Following the levels that Adam Mancini gives us, which is at Adam Mancini 4 on x.com, full credit. What we're watching is, now that we know that we're in position 1 on the 15-minute chart, right? We just flip back and forth. You can see that you're just taking every sell signal all the way down. Okay, you pause because we're below the 200, and then you just keep executing, right? Pause, keep executing. Okay, so now here's where it changes, right? This is very self-explanatory. There's a million videos. We've explained it 1,000 times. But let's take a look at what happens here. Okay, so if we go back to the 15-minute, we see that, and full credit to G-Man for pointing this out. 31's hold, 31's hold, right? And if you look, that level holds. Okay, so now that level holds, and yes, it did stop me out, and yes, he did laugh at me. It's all fun and games, right? Until it happens to you. I'm kidding. But what it did is it spurred along, right? So we're on the 15 minutes, but let's see what it looks like underneath the hood. Let's go into the microscope. Let's look at our entry levels of our 2-minute chart here. First thing that you want to notice that comes to mind when you're looking like, okay, is this the bottom? Is this a temporary bottom? If this starts to turn up, am I taking longs? Okay, so here's how I looked at it after I totally got stopped out down here somewhere. I can't remember where. So somewhere right here, right? 36.50. Yeah, right there. Flipped long, tried to add at 34.25. Okay, because of the 15-minute level holding, right? Once 15-minute level holds, how do we know when to start to look for the longs? Well, take a look at the pattern, okay? Notice that this is a higher low with an ignition bar, with a little bit more elevated volume, we could say. And so then if this flips green, you're long. You have to figure out where your stop is. That's what you and your coach figure out, right? Where's the stop? But every trade you take long. I went for 58. I got 58s. Wow. It went all the way up to, this is the VWAP. This was the ultimate target, but I was already pushing the envelope because it was past 330 when I went long, or it was right at 330 when I went long after I said no more trades to myself. So I just took it with one in each account. I did really good today. I missed a bunch of trades. I missed the whole leg down, full disclosure, right? So I only was able to participate down here. Now, you just stay long, and then you have a target, right? If we haven't hit VWAP all day, and you start to reverse if you have what people call a change of character, right? Well, then shoot the moon, try to shoot the gap, hit the VWAP. Okay, the average price, right? And so then the thought is, it closed right at the VWAP. Now think about it. How did it close right at the average price? Well, because we were so far away from it all day. That just makes perfect sense. It's choreographed. So what do I think is going to happen tomorrow? Let's take a look. Well, we're right in the middle. Look, we touched the median threshold of the order block. So basically, what we're watching is, does the median threshold of the order block hold or not? Nothing. If you think about it, nothing else matters. Did they just clear the way all the way down to it so they could plow it lower after they get more inventory up above? Okay. Or is there no more inventory above and they have it all from below? That's what we're waiting to find out. Here's the fact that we know. We're in position 1 to the downside, so the sell side activity makes more sense. We'll see what happens tomorrow, folks. That's going to do it for me. I hope everybody was safe today. Today was no joke. We ended only fractionally down. Excuse me. We ended down 2.4%. We were down as much as 3.5%. I'll see everyone tomorrow morning. Good night.